Yo, what is up, everybody? It's your name here, and today I am beyond excited to take you on an unforgettable journey. I am so stoked for this one because we are diving deep into the heart of Sri Lanka, a place that is often overlooked but is brimming with hidden gems. This is Sri Lanka, baby, an island nation that offers a perfect blend of adventure, culture, and natural beauty. This island is packed with adventure, culture, good vibes, you name it. We're talking ancient ruins that whisper tales of the past, epic wildlife like wild elephants roaming free, and beaches that belong on postcards with their pristine sands and crystal clear waters, inviting you to relax and unwind. And did I mention the food? Oh, the food! From spicy street food to traditional dishes that will tantalize your taste buds, Sri Lanka is a culinary paradise. We're diving into all that good stuff and more, exploring the vibrant markets, the bustling streets, and the serene countryside, showing you the spots you have to hit up. From the iconic landmarks to the hidden treasures, we'll cover it all. So buckle up, smash that like button, and get ready for an adventure of a lifetime. We're going to explore the lush tea plantations, hike through breathtaking landscapes, and meet the warm and welcoming locals who make this place so special. Let's get into it. Alright, first up, Sigiriya. This place is nuts. Imagine a colossal rock formation rising majestically from the lush green landscape of Sri Lanka. It's not just a natural wonder, it's a marvel of ancient engineering and artistry. Picture this, a massive rock formation jutting out of nowhere, right? But there's more to it than meets the eye. This isn't just any rock, it's a fortress, a palace, and a symbol of a bygone era. But it's not just any rock, it's a UNESCO World Heritage Site. This designation isn't given lightly. It means Sigiriya is recognized for its outstanding universal value to humanity. It's a testament to the ingenuity and vision of ancient civilizations. Back in the day, King Kasyapa decided to build his palace on top of this thing, like the entire top. Can you imagine the audacity and ambition it took to even conceive such a project? This wasn't just a home, it was a statement of power and grandeur. We're talking gardens, pools, the works. The top of Sigiriya was transformed into a paradise, complete with elaborate water features and lush gardens. It was a place of beauty and tranquility, designed to impress and inspire. The climb is no joke, stairs carved right into the rock, but the view? Worth every step. As you ascend, you can almost feel the history beneath your feet. Each step brings you closer to the sky and to the stories of those who once walked the same path. You're literally looking out over the jungle canopy. It's insane. The panoramic view from the top is nothing short of breathtaking. You can see for miles, taking in the vibrant greens of the jungle and the distant horizon. It's a view that makes you feel both humbled and exhilarated. Trust me, this is a must-see. Whether you're a history buff, an adventure seeker, or someone who simply appreciates natural beauty, Sigiriya has something for everyone. It's a place where the past and present collide, offering a glimpse into the ingenuity of ancient civilizations and the timeless allure of nature. So pack your bags, lace up your hiking boots, and get ready to be blown away by the wonder that is Sigiriya. Next stop, Yale National Park. Nestled in the southeastern region of Sri Lanka, this park is a haven for wildlife enthusiasts and nature lovers alike. Spanning over 979 square kilometers, Yale is the second largest national park in Sri Lanka and is renowned for its rich biodiversity and stunning landscapes. If you're an animal lover, this is your jam. Imagine embarking on a thrilling safari adventure, where every turn of the trail promises a new surprise. The park is divided into 5 blocks, each offering a unique experience and a chance to witness the raw beauty of nature. We're talking elephants roaming free, majestic, and gentle giants that move gracefully through the wilderness. Watching these magnificent creatures in their natural habitat is a humbling experience, reminding us of the importance of conservation and respect for wildlife. Crocodiles chilling in the water, their eyes barely visible above the surface, waiting patiently for their next meal. These ancient reptiles are a testament to the park's diverse ecosystem, which supports a wide range of species. And if you're lucky, leopards. These elusive and graceful predators are the crown jewels of Yale. Spotting a leopard is a thrilling experience, as they are known for their stealth and camouflage. Yale has one of the highest concentrations of leopards in the world. This makes it one of the best places on the planet to see these magnificent cats in the wild. Their presence is a testament to the park's healthy ecosystem and effective conservation efforts. We hopped in a Jeep with a local guide, and let me tell you, the energy was electric. Our guide's knowledge and passion for the park were infectious, making the experience even more memorable. As we ventured deeper into the park, the anticipation grew with every passing moment. Every rustle in the bushes, every bird call, you're on the edge of your seat. The park is home to over 215 bird species, making it a paradise for bird watchers. From the vibrant peacocks to the elusive jungle fowl, the avian diversity is simply astounding. We actually managed to spot a leopard too. It was incredible. The sight of this majestic creature with its powerful build and striking coat left us in awe. Capturing this moment on camera was the highlight of our trip, a memory that will stay with us forever. Yale National Park is truly a gem, offering an unforgettable adventure for anyone who loves wildlife and the great outdoors. Time to chill. Marissa is where it's at for those perfect beach vibes. We're talking palm trees, white sand, turquoise water, the whole 9 yards. We spent our days surfing, swimming, and just soaking up the sun. Oh, and did I mention whale watching? Marissa is one of the best places in the world to spot blue whales. We took a boat trip out and saw a mother and her calf. It was magical. Get ready for a history lesson because Anuradhapura is old, like ancient city, capital of Sri Lanka for centuries old. We're talking crumbling ruins, towering stupas, sacred temples. This place is steeped in history. You can feel the energy as you walk through the ancient streets. It's humbling, you know, to think about all the people who have walked these same paths over thousands of years. Okay, this train ride, from Ella to Kandy, it's not just transportation, it's an experience. Picture this. You're cruising through the Sri Lankan highlands, tea plantations stretching as far as the eye can see, waterfalls cascading down mountainsides. It's seriously like something out of a movie. We hung out the open train doors, feeling the wind in our hair, taking in the epic views. It was pure magic. Galle Fort is wild. It's this old colonial fort built by the Dutch back in the day, right on the coast. You walk through the massive stone walls and it's like stepping back in time. Cobblestone streets, colorful buildings, little cafes and shops. It's got such a cool vibe. We spent hours just wandering around, getting lost in the maze-like streets. Definitely grab a coffee and soak up the atmosphere. The Temple of the Tooth in Kandy is one of the most sacred places in Sri Lanka. It's said to house a relic of the Buddha's tooth, and people come from all over to pay their respects. We visited during a puja, which is a religious ceremony, and the atmosphere was electric. The chanting, the incense, the colors. It was an experience I'll never forget. Colombo is the capital of Sri Lanka, and it's a trip. It's this crazy mix of old and new, with bustling markets, colonial buildings, modern skyscrapers. It's a sensory overload in the best way possible. We spent our time exploring the markets, trying street food, and just soaking up the energy of this vibrant city. Okay, this one's for the adventurers out there. Adams Peak is a mountain with a sacred footprint at the top, and people hike up it for a sunrise pilgrimage. We're talking thousands of steps, starting in the middle of the night. But let me tell you, it was worth it. Reaching the summit just as the sun was coming up, overlooking the clouds, it was breathtaking. We can't talk about Sri Lanka without talking about the food. This is some of the best food I've ever had, hands down. Think fragrant curries, fresh seafood, spicy sambals. Your taste buds will thank you. We ate our way through the country, trying everything we could get our hands on. Some of my favorites? Kotu roti, string hoppers, lampreys. The list goes on and on. So there you have it, guys. Sri Lanka is truly a hidden gem. From ancient ruins to stunning beaches, vibrant cities to delicious food, this island nation has something for everyone. If you're looking for an adventure, look no further. Sri Lanka will blow your mind. Thanks for watching our ultimate guide to exploring Sri Lanka. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel guides and tips. See you in the next adventure.